I will be popping this squishy. It's one of my favorites. It's really good. So yeah, let's pop it. Give me like a couple likes just for doing this. It's cost a lot of money. Well, it's also a lot of work. Oh, it came out from the other side, guys. Like, look at that. It fully came through the other side. What, is this not crazy, guys? This still moving, flexible, even if I stab a flipping pencil through it. It comes out the other side. Is this not crazy? Look at that. Are you seeing this? This is crazy. Look at that goo. Last pop for you guys. Here comes the big one. This thing's so stretchable! Oh, I got it! Look at this! Ew! Please don't try this at home. Bye.